Okay, so I have made a video on file writing programming in Python. Now let me highlight that in Python there is no switch loop, but however I can achieve that switch loop using if else and while to achieve file function functionality. Let me demonstrate. First of all, let me make a new file. Let me name it, say, file writing. So file uh, file writing dot py. Now let me make an infinite while loop while n is not equals to 3. So while n is not equals to 3, if n equals to 1, then I will be appending the file. For that reason, I will be, let me create an object obj equals to open, and let me name the name of the file as file1 txt, and let me open it in appending mode. So far so good. Now I have to write something to the file. For that reason I need to ask the user to input some string. So str equals to input, enter your line of text. Fine. Now I need to write this thing. So obj dot write this particular string which is given by this user. Now let me close this object obj dot close. Now let me instantiate another scenario in which, okay, so let me align a little bit. Else if n equals to 2. So if n is equals to 2, I will be reading the file. For that reason I will be again using obj dot open, and what would I open? File 1.txt, and let me open it up in read mode. So R, then let me print it out. So print whatever I just give the whatever I have fetched as an input obj, and let me close the object obj dot close. Fine. So okay, now n is not initialized preliminarily, so let me initialize the n equal to 0, and there will be a prompt. The prompt would be something like this, that if n equals to 1, n equals to 2, so n equals to input, and it will be converted to integer, int input, enter your choice, fine, /n 1 is for appending to the file, fine, and 2 is for read the file content. Okay, so let me add also a new line here, /n, and 3 is for exit, /n 3 exit from the program. I think the program is pretty much done. So let me open up a new terminal. Let me run the program. This thing resides within I think this is HTML. So cd HTML, fine, then Python, the name of the file, C file writing.py, appending to the file 1, enter your line of text. This is line 1. So read the content of the file 2. So write str close open print obj dot, this will be read the file content. So read. Let me again run the program. Control Z, Control C to exit from the loop, this loop. File writing.py, appending to the file 1. This is line 1. This is line 1. Okay, read the content of the file 2. Read the, this is line 1, this is line 1. So it is appending to the previous line. Fine. So let me add a new line so that the object would be, the new line will be separated and would be appended as a next line. For that reason I will be simply doing here dot write. Okay, fine, obj dot write. Let me give a new line character /n. Fine, so far so good. So appending, writing, A is for appending, W is for writing, and R is for reading. Fine. Exit from the program. Control Z. Okay. So let me give the name another file2.txt. Control S. Let me browse to the file structure. There is no file2. Now let me, so this is the final program which I have completed. Let me run the program. So C file programming, file writing.py, appending to the file, it's 1. Enter your line of text. This is line 1. Read the content of the file 2. Okay, so there is another problem. It says that built-in method text wrapper object has something. Enter your choice. Exit. Read the content of the file. 2. Built-in method IO text wrapper object. Enter your choice. Okay, fine. Enter your choice. So print obj.read. Okay, so read is an object. I think the program will be running successfully now. Control Z. Let me run the program once again. CLS. This is the final run. So C file writing. Enter your choice. Appending the file 1. Enter your line of text. This is another line. Read the content of the file 2. So read the content of the file. This is line 1. This is line 1. This is line 1. This is line 1. Okay, fine. Again, appending to your appending to the file to write read. Okay, one. Enter your line of text. This is this is some line. Read the content of the file. 2. This is line 1. This is line 1. Okay, so so this is file 1.txt. So the reading would be file 2.txt. I think let me change the file names to file 3 and then also file 3, and let me add an space. Enter your line of text. Okay, then okay, just give me a moment. I am running low on battery. Okay, so this is enter your line of text, then /n pine. Now my program is, I think my program is completed. Control Z to exit from the loop, CLS to clear the console. Then let me run the program. Fine. Appending to the file 1. This is line 1. Read the file content 2. So this is line 1. It is being printed perfectly. Okay, fine. Then again appending to the file. This is line. The first line was line 1. Then this is line 2. Enter. Read the content of the file 2. See, this is line 1. This is line 2. Similarly, read the content of the file. Now again 1. Enter your line of text. This is the final line. Enter. Read the content of the file 2. See, this is line 1, line 2, this is the final line. Now let me exit from the loop 3. So while discussing about this particular file writing programming in Python, let me also highlight about the fact that there is no switch loop in Python. So if you want to make a continuous loop in Python, you have to use your own logic. I have used here a while loop. So that's pretty much about it. This is a file writing programming in Python. And finally, let me open the file structure. This is file 3.txt. So let me open up the Explorer. Open in revealing file Explorer. There should be some file like file 3.txt. So the name of this folder is HTML. So there will be file 3. Let me press A from my keyboard. Okay, so this is file 3.txt. Let me open it up. See, this is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. So hope you have enjoyed this particular section of mine, a file writing program in Python, and this is I have used some loop to achieve the goal. Hope you have enjoyed it. Hope you have enjoyed it. Practice it all by yourself. Thank you.